Welcome back to Success with Steven. My name is Steven Smith. On this channel, we discuss all things financial literacy. Recently, I released a video that explained how you can buy a car with bad credit with no money down in 2026. Now, that video focused on the preparations and credit strategies that you can use in order to get your vehicle. Now, in this video, I want to go a step further by breaking down where you should actually be getting your auto loans from if you have bad or challenged credit, and which lenders consistently offer the best terms, and why credit unions still remain the strongest option for borrowers rebuilding their credit. Whether you're shopping for a brand new EV or a used SUV for your family, or simply a reliable car to get to work, one thing is certain: the loan that you choose matters just as much as the vehicle itself, and in many cases, it can matter more. Buying a car right now is a major financial decision that will affect your wallet for years to come. By the end of this video, you'll be able to walk into a dealership or an online auto dealer with confidence and financing already in hand. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's start by answering the obvious question: why credit unions? Credit unions are member-owned, not-for-profit financial institutions. They don't exist to maximize profits for shareholders, they exist to serve their members. And because of this structure, credit unions are able to offer lower interest rates, fewer fees, and more flexible loan terms than traditional banks and dealership lenders. This difference becomes especially important for people with bad or challenged credit. Instead of relying on rigid and outdated credit score cutoffs, many credit unions will evaluate the full financial picture. They look at income stability, recent payment history, employment, and overall credit trajectory. If you're actively rebuilding your credit, then credit unions are far more likely to work with you instead of just pushing you into a predatory loan. This is why credit unions are often the best option for borrowers with bad credit, because they understand that credit is not permanent. They understand that people recover and they improve, and their underwriting reflects that reality. When it comes to auto loans, that difference is crucial. In 2026, the average interest rate on a new car loan for a traditional bank is somewhere around 7 to 8% for long terms up to 60 months, and that's if you have excellent credit. But at many credit unions, you can still find new car loan rates as low as 4 to 6%, and once again, that depends on your credit. That difference could save you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. Then there's flexibility. Credit unions often have more lenient underwriting standards, especially for members with less than perfect credit. Credit unions are far more likely to look at the full picture of your financial situation rather than just your credit score. And finally, let's talk about pressure. Financing through a dealership might seem convenient, but they often mark up the rate that they get from the lenders to pad their own profits. That low monthly payment they advertise can be a trap if you're not careful, and I always recommend asking for the out-the-door price of a vehicle, not just the monthly payment. That way you have full transparency for the price that you're actually paying. With a credit union, you get a clear rate, you get fair terms, and you can walk into that dealership already pre-approved and in control of that situation. Before applying for any auto loans, especially with bad credit, you need to know exactly where you stand. If you're guessing your score or you're relying on outdated information, that will put you at a disadvantage. And that is where Rising becomes an essential tool. Now, Rising is not only a credit monitoring platform, it also has a built-in credit dispute hub, as well as built-in trade lines that you can actually use to boost your credit score. Right now, you can access your credit report for $1 using their 7-day trial. So again, instead of just guessing whether you're ready or not to apply, Rising will allow you to make a strategic decision, and you can track the progress of your disputes and all these other applications over time. So again, instead of guessing whether you're ready to apply, Rising will allow you to make a strategic decision. Not to mention, you can add additional trade lines to help boost your credit score before you actually get this loan. If you want to check out Rising, the link will be down in the description. Before I reveal our top picks, it's important to talk about what makes a car loan actually great in today's economy. Most people walk into a dealership focused on one thing, and that's the monthly payment. Dealers know this, banks know this, and subprime lenders rely on it. When you focus only on the payment, you stop paying attention to the interest rate and the loan terms and the total cost of the vehicle. This is how people with bad credit end up paying thousands of dollars more than necessary. High interest rates, extended loan terms, unnecessary add-ons, and marked up financing will all quietly inflate the cost of your car long after you drive off the lot. The solution is not negotiating harder at the dealership. The solution is controlling the financing before you ever step foot on the lot. The first and most obvious factor is the interest rate, but don't just chase down the lowest number. Make sure you've compared not just the base rate, but you also want to look at any fees associated. Next, look at the loan terms. Shorter terms mean higher monthly payments, but less interest paid overall. Longer terms have lower monthly costs, but you could end up upside down or owing more on that car than it's actually worth. This always happens if the loan is stretched out too long. Now, a good credit union will give you options, usually between 36 and 84 months, and that will help you pick what's best for your situation. Also, pay attention to flexibility. Can you refinance with no penalty? Is there a skip a payment option if money gets tight? What about co-borrowers or co-signers? Then there's ease of application. In 2026, you shouldn't have to walk into a branch with a folder full of paperwork just to get pre-approved. The best credit unions offer online applications, instant approvals, and even the ability for you to sign your fund loan digitally. And finally, consider extras. Some credit unions offer discounted car insurance, extended warranties, gap coverage, or even car buying services that help you find a better deal. These perks shouldn't be the main reason that you choose a lender, but they can be a nice bonus. And now that we know what we're looking for, let's move on to the actual loans. Let's start with Langley Federal Credit Union. Now, Langley offers some of the most competitive auto loan rates in the industry for new and used purchases. They currently have rates as low as 5.24% APR for terms up to 60 months. Now, I do want to mention I've changed this probably like 3 times because I started this and then came back to it later. These rates literally change on a monthly basis. So what you're seeing right now may have changed depending on the time that you're watching this video. I always recommend going to the website and looking at the current rates. Longer terms are also available with the same rate, 5.24% APR for 61 to 66 months. And you also have this same rate all the way up to 75 months. Now, anything past 75, you'll be paying 6.24%. One of the standout features is Langley's financing flexibility. They provide 100% financing for qualified buyers, allowing you to cover the vehicle's cost without any down payment. Langley enhances your auto loan experience with several exclusive benefits. You can also enjoy a 60-day payment deferral, giving you time to settle into your new vehicle before starting repayments. You also get free gap coverage. Every Langley auto loan includes complimentary guaranteed asset protection coverage, protecting you if your vehicle is totaled or stolen. Applying for a loan with Langley is straightforward. You can get pre-approved online, calculate monthly payments using their loan calculator, and even sign documents online as well. Once approved, Langley sends the funds directly to the dealership or seller, streamlining the entire process. If you're looking to refinance an existing auto loan, Langley provides rates starting at 4.99% APR with the same 60-day payment deferral and free gap coverage. Langley's car buying service helps you find the right car, offering a seamless experience from search to purchase. To become a member of Langley Federal Credit Union, you'll need to make a $5 deposit into a savings account. Additionally, you'll need to provide your social, your proof of address, your name, and date of birth. You can apply for membership either online or by visiting one of their branches. Now, I have an entire video where I talk about how to join this credit union. I'm going to link that video right here. In summary, Langley Federal Credit Union offers a comprehensive auto loan program in 2026 featuring low rates, flexible financing options, and valuable member benefits. Whether you're purchasing a new or used vehicle or refinancing an existing loan, Langley provides tools and services designed to make your car buying experience seamless and affordable. If you're considering financing your next vehicle, then Langley Federal Credit Union is certainly worth a look. Next, we have Alliant Credit Union. They offer auto loan rates that are designed to keep your payments manageable and your total interest low. As of 2026, you can expect rates to start as low as 4.89% APR for new vehicles when refinancing up to 60 months. For used vehicles, rates typically begin at 5.14% APR for similar terms. Even those looking to refinance an existing loan will find that Alliant provides competitive options, also starting at 5.14%. For older vehicles, specifically those between 10 to 15 years old, the rates are a bit higher, beginning around 8.14% APR. However, this kind of flexibility shows that Alliant caters to a wide variety of borrowers and vehicle types. Loan terms can be extended up to 84 months, which allows members to tailor their repayment plans to match their monthly budget. One of the best parts of borrowing with Alliant is the ability to lower your interest rates even further with a few smart moves. If you use Alliant's car buying service, which connects you to pre-negotiated prices through participating dealers, you can earn a discounted rate of 0.50% off your auto loan. On top of that, setting up automatic payments from an Alliant checking account will grant you an additional 0.40% rate reduction. These discounts are stackable, meaning you can combine them to significantly lower your APR. When you apply both, you're looking at some of the lowest auto loan rates available from any national lender or credit union. The perks don't stop at interest rates. Alliant also makes the application and approval process easy and transparent. Most applicants receive a decision on the same day they apply, making this convenient for those trying to finalize their vehicle purchases quickly. You can apply entirely online without needing to visit a branch. If you want to get a sense of what your monthly payments might look like before you even apply, Alliant provides a loan calculator directly on their website. And if you're thinking ahead financially, there's more good news. Alliant never charges prepayment penalties. So that means if you come into extra cash or you want to pay off your loan early, you can do this without getting hit with any hidden fees. Alliant also shines when it comes to specialized auto financing. So if you're in the market for, let's say, an EV like a Tesla, Alliant has a dedicated financing program just for that. Their Tesla loan program offers competitive rates and allows for a loan term up to 84 months, making this easier to own one of the most in-demand electric vehicles on the road. For members who already have a car loan through another lender, Alliant offers refinancing options that can lower your current rates, reduce your monthly payments, or both. If your credit has improved since you first financed your vehicle, or if your rates have dropped, refinancing with Alliant can be a smart financial move. You can become an Alliant Credit Union Foundation Digital Inclusion Advocate and become eligible for Alliant Credit Union membership. The foundation awards grants for educational and digital inclusion efforts nationwide. Alliant Credit Union will make a one-time $5 contribution to the foundation on your behalf. Next up, we have Consumers Credit Union, or CCU. They offer competitive auto loan rates starting as low as 3.99% APR if you use their car buying service. CCU's car buying service, powered by TrueCar, not only helps you find the right car, but also offers a 0.50% rate discount when you finance through CCU. This service simplifies the buying process and ensures you're getting a fair deal. Even without the service, rates begin at 4.49% APR, and they provide 100% financing for qualified buyers, making it easier for you to get the vehicle of your choice. Applying for a loan with CCU is very straightforward. You can get pre-approved online, calculate your payments using their loan calculator, and even sign documents online as well. Once you're approved, CCU sends the funds directly to the dealership or the seller, and they streamline this entire process for you. You'll need to have a minimum credit score of at least 620. Anyone can join Consumer Credit Union and apply for a free rewards checking account. You can join CCU at the same time you open that rewards checking, and that's going to be in minutes. To become a member of Consumers Credit Union, you need to join the Consumer Cooperative Association, also known as CCA, and then open a membership share savings account with a minimum deposit of $5, and that's going to be a one-time non-refundable $5 fee to join. And once you're a member of both the CCA and CCU, you can start to utilize their services. Up next, we have Navy Federal Credit Union, and they offer some competitive auto loan options that are tailored for military members, veterans, and their families. Now, Navy Federal provides attractive rates for both new and used vehicles, so you can get rates as low as 3.89% APR up to 36 months. If you have terms between 61 to 72 months, then you can get 4.59% APR. 73 to 84 would be 6.49% APR. 85 to 96 months would be 7.39% APR, and that is at the time of recording this video. Now, for used vehicles up to 36 months, it's 4.79% APR. 37 to 60 months, 5.29% APR, and 61 to 72 months, 5.39% APR. Members may also qualify for a 0.25% APR discount if they are active duty or retired military personnel. Additionally, Navy Federal offers financing up to 125% of your vehicle's value, allowing you to include taxes, tags, and other fees in your loan. If you're looking to refinance an existing loan, Navy Federal will provide options with rates as low as 3.89% APR for new vehicles. Refinancing can help lower your monthly payments or reduce your interest. To take advantage of these auto loan offerings, you must be a member of Navy Federal Credit Union, and eligibility does include active duty military veterans, Department of Defense employees, and their immediate family members. So to sum everything up, Navy Federal Credit Union offers competitive auto loan rates, flexible terms, and exclusive benefits for military members and their families. If you're in the market for a vehicle in 2026, consider exploring their offerings to find financing options that suit your needs. The last option on our list will be PenFed Credit Union. PenFed offers some of the most competitive auto loan rates in the industry. For new car purchases, rates start as low as 3.39% APR when you utilize their car buying service powered by TrueCar. Members can search for in-stock inventory, receive upfront pricing from local dealerships, and access to exclusive cash incentives. For instance, you can save up to $4,500 on select Mercedes-Benz vehicles and up to $1,000 on brands like Jeep, Ram, and Chrysler. Additionally, members who use this service may qualify for a 0.25% to 0.80% APR discount on their auto loans, depending on the loan term selected. Even without the service, rates still remain attractive, starting around 4.19% APR for new cars. Used car loans are also available, with rates beginning at 4.79% APR. One of the standout features is PenFed's financing flexibility. They will offer up to 125% financing, allowing you to cover the vehicle's cost plus any additional expenses, once again like taxes, tags, and extended warranties. Now, this is particularly beneficial if you're looking to minimize upfront cost. PenFed offers loan terms ranging from 36 to 84 months, providing flexibility for you to choose a repayment plan that fits your budget. Loan amounts can go up to $150,000, accommodating a wide range of vehicle purchases. To qualify, applicants typically need a minimum credit history of 24 months and a max debt-to-income ratio of 20%. While PenFed doesn't disclose a specific minimum credit score, they consider the overall financial picture during the application process. Beyond competitive rates, PenFed offers several benefits to enhance your auto loan experience. They offer pre-qualification with no impact to your credit score, so you can see if you pre-qualify without affecting anything whatsoever, and that makes it very easy for you to explore your options. There's also auto-deductible reimbursement. Now, members may receive up to $500 twice a year to cover insurance deductibles in the event of a claim, providing added peace of mind. You also have extended warranty and gap coverage. You can protect your investment with these additional coverages that can be financed into your loan. So in summary, PenFed Credit Union does offer a comprehensive auto loan program in 2026. They feature low rates, flexible financing options. There's valuable membership benefits. So whether you're purchasing a new car, a used vehicle, or refinancing an existing loan, PenFed provides tools and services that are designed to make the experience seamless and also very affordable. If you're considering financing your next vehicle, then PenFed Credit Union is definitely one that I would take a look at. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you were able to get financed through any of these credit unions, please drop that in the comments below. And also, if you feel comfortable, then provide your data points. Let us know exactly what you were approved for, what was your credit score, maybe even your debt to income ratio. That information will help other people who may be in a similar situation to yours. If there are any credit unions that I missed, please drop those in the comments below. Once again, all of these interest rates and APRs are available at the time of recording this video, and they will change on a monthly basis. So if anything has changed, just keep in mind you want to go to the website and see the latest rates. Once again, thank you so much for watching this video, and you guys have a wonderful day.